Hello friends, we'll start off with complex numbers and quadratic equations chapter 5 exercise 5.3. So what's the first question? We'll just see. Here it's given solve each of the following equations. So the first equation, quadratic equations are always having a degree of 2, we know that. So over here in this, what is the equation? What do we do is we have to write this in first general form of a quadratic equation, then we'll know what is the discriminant, what's the discriminant, and then we can use either using, there is a formula for finding out the roots of a quadratic equation, we use that, or we can split the middle term. So according to the problem, what will we do, we'll see. So we here given equation is quadratic equation is x square plus 3 is equal to 0. We are having what is called as d. This is called as the discriminant. It's equal to b square minus 4ac. Depending upon this discriminant, how do we find out the two roots? We'll just say minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now whatever is under the root, that is whenever we are finding out b square minus 4ac, we have got greater than 0 in our 10th class problems. What we did, whenever we did less than 0, whenever d is less than 0, we took it as that the root doesn't exist at all. But still now we are seeing in complex numbers that the under root, if you're having a negative number, it's a complex number, we can find out a root. So you know that I square is equal to minus 1 or I is equal to root of minus 1. We know this. So therefore whenever you have a number under the root, then you can write down as a complex number. So how do we find out this? We'll just see. We'll compare this x cube plus 3 is equal to 0 with the general form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So in this, what is a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 3. So now we'll find out what is capital D. Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0 square minus of 4 into 1 into 3. So you're getting it is minus 12, which is less than 0. So now we know that x is equal to minus 0 plus or minus root of minus 12 divided by 2 into 1. So you're getting 1 root plus or minus root of minus 12 by 2 we are having. So because 2 ones are 2, so which is equal to, so how do we write this minus 12? We'll see. So root of minus 12 is equal to minus 1 into 12, can I write? So therefore this is equal to, and you know that root of minus 1 is nothing but the iota here, whichever we have written. So here this is equal to under root of 12 iota. So therefore this is the value which we are getting under the root. So now here you can write this as x is equal to plus or minus root of 12 iota divided by 2. Now you can write this as, if you want to simplify this further, you can write it as 4 into 3 I divided by 2. So x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3 I divided by 2. So which is equal to plus or minus root 3 I. So this is the answer which we got. So x is equal to plus root 3 iota or x is equal to minus root 3 iota. So these are the two answers which you are getting. This is the factors. So quadratic equation always have two factors. One is this one, and this one is plus root 3 iota and minus root 3 iota. So what is the solution of this? We first write down what is the equation. We are having 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll compare it with the original general equation. So x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. So what is the discriminant we are getting? D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 1. So which is equal to 1 minus of 8, which is equal to minus 7. So again you are getting a negative number. So now here you know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus root of plus or minus root of minus 7 by 4. So you are getting x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 4. So you know that root of minus 7 can be root of minus 1 into 7, which is equal to root of minus 1 into root 7. So which is equal to, this is nothing but iota root 7. So therefore you are getting it is minus 1 plus or minus root 7 iota divided by 4. So this is the value. That is the two roots are this. One is with plus and one is with minus. I'm sorry, here minus 1 we are having. Minus 1 plus or minus root of 7 by. Solution of this, you are having here x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. So you compare with the general equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Then you have to find out what is the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 9, which is equal to 9 minus 9 4s are 36. So 36, this will give you minus 27. So D is equal to minus 27 we got. So now what is the formula which we are having to find out the roots? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b is how much? We are having 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 by 2 into a means it is 1. So which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 1 into 27 by 2. So which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus iota into root of 27. So which is equal to, so you are going to get this as x by 2 you are having again. So now you can remove here 9 3s are 27, so you can remove 3. So 3 root 3 I divided by 2. So this is the answer where you are having two of them. That is one with plus sign and one with the minus sign. This will be the answer. Minus 3 plus 3 root 3 I by 2 and minus 3 root 3 I by 2. Having this is the question given to us. So into the solution when we go, we will just compare this equation, which is minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0 to the original equation. So what is the original equation? You are having a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 2. So what is the discriminant? We will find out. D is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 2. So which is equal to 1 plus 4. So plus 8 is equal to, so you are going to get it as equal to minus, you are getting here, because plus then minus, which is equal to minus 7. So D is equal to minus 7. So therefore you are getting this as equal to, D is equal to minus 7. Now we will write down the formula. What is the formula which you are having to find out the roots? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b means it will become minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is nothing but minus 1, it is 1 whole square. We got the answer as you can see that it is equal to, so this is root of minus 7 divided by 2 into what is a is minus 1. So there you are getting a minus 1 here. Minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by minus 2. So therefore you are going to get this as x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 iota divided by minus 2. So one will be minus 1 plus root 7 iota by minus 2, and the other one will be minus 1 minus root 7 iota by minus 2. So this is the answer for fourth one. Now what is the fifth one? Here you are given the equation as x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 5. So now what is d? Discriminant will find out. B square minus 4ac is equal to 3 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. So which is equal to 9 minus of 20. So which is equal to minus 11. So d is equal to minus 11 we got. So we'll write down what is x. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 11 by 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 11 into iota divided by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 11 iota divided by 2 is the answer. X square minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 2. So here you are going to get the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2, which is equal to 1 minus of 8, which is equal to minus 7. So therefore the roots are minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So which implies that b is nothing but minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2 into 1. So you're going to get it as 1 plus or minus root 7 into minus 1 is nothing but root 7 iota divided by 2. So now here 1 is with a plus sign, 1 is with a minus sign. So 1 plus root 7 iota by 2, 1 minus root 7 iota by 2 is the answer. Having roots in this, so how do we get this? We'll see. Root of 2x square plus x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the original form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to root 2. So what is b square minus 4ac? We'll see. B square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 into root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 1 minus of 4 2s are 8. So it is equal to minus 7 over here. So therefore we are getting d is equal to minus 7. So putting it in the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here b is equal to nothing but minus 1 plus or minus root of b square is minus 1 whole square minus, we found out the value already, minus root of minus 7. Here minus root of minus 7 divided by 2 into root 2. So you are going to get this as minus 1 plus or minus root 7 iota divided by 2 root 2. So now this you will see. It is given, the problem is root 3 x square minus root 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. So comparing it with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus root 2, c is equal to 3 root 3. So therefore you are going to get this as equal to, now here d is equal to d square minus 4ac, which is equal to minus root 2 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into 3 root 3. So you are going to get this as 2 minus of 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, which is equal to minus 34. So therefore d is equal to minus 34, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here minus b is nothing but it is equal to minus of minus root 2 plus or minus root of minus 34 divided by 2 root 3. So you are going to get this as x is equal to root 2 plus or minus root of 34i divided by 2 root 3. So now rationalizing the denominator, x is equal to root 2 into 1 plus or minus root of 2 into root 17 root 2 into root 2 into root 3. So which is equal to, if you take out root 2 common, you will get it as equal to 1 plus or minus root of 17 iota divided by root 2 into root 6. So root will get cancelled. So the answer is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 17 iota divided by root 6 is the answer. This is the final answer which we are getting. So now going into the next problem, that is the ninth one. So what's the ninth problem we'll look into? It's given as x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. So in the solution part, we have x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Compare it with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 by root 2. So now here when you are having this, after applying this formula, now we have to go into what is d, the discriminant part. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by root 2. So which is equal to, we can write this as equal to 1 minus of 2 into 2 into 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 1 minus of 2 root 2. So this is 1 minus of root 2 can be written as equal to minus of 2 root 2 minus 1, which is less than 0. Since the discriminant is less than 0, we are having the roots as equal to x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So which is equal to minus b means it is minus 1 plus or minus root of, here you are having under root, what is the value, 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So therefore you are getting the answer here is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, this can be written as root of minus 1 into root of 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2. So which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 2 root 2 minus 1 iota divided by 2. This is the answer which we are having for ninth one. Now going into the, so solution part of this is, here you are having the equation x square plus x by root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing it with the original equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by root 2, c is equal to 1. So now here you are having discriminant is equal to b square minus of 4ac. So therefore here you will get d is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square minus of 4 into 1. So which is equal to 1 by 2 minus of 4. So we are going to get this as equal to minus 7 by 2. which is less than 0, we can see here very clearly. So therefore x is equal to, you are going to get it as equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x is equal to minus b minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac, means here b square is how much, 1 by root 2 whole square minus root of minus 7 by 2 by 2 into 1 is 2. So therefore you are going to get this as equal to, this can be written in this way, minus 1 by root 2 plus or minus, you can write this as minus 7 by root 2 divided by 2, or it can be written as minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 by 2 root 2, so which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of minus 1 into root of 7 divided by 2 root 2, so which is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 iota divided by 2 root 2. So x value is this for the 10th problem.